Rationalizing the denominator. A rational number must be in the form of a divided by b, such that a and b are whole numbers. Therefore, 1 divided by the square root of x is not rational, so must be fixed. Please copy this down into your notes while pausing the video. To rationalize a denominator, we multiply by a creative form of 1. For example, 5 divided by the square root of 7 must be changed by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 7. This will make the denominator a perfect square, thus eliminating the radical in the denominator. The square root of 7 divided by the square root of 7 is 1. By the multiplication identity property, we are not changing the problem by multiplying by 1. Therefore, this becomes 5 root 7 over the square root of 49, which is 5 root 7 over 7. This denominator is now rationalized. Try the following. Pause the video and find a creative form of 1 to multiply this fraction by in order to rationalize the denominator. If we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 3, we get 8 square root of 3 divided by the square root of 9, which is equal to 8 square root of 3 divided by 3. Check your answers to make sure you got this right. Pause the video if you need to. You may notice the step in the middle might be unnecessary. Therefore, we could shorten the steps here in the following way. Because we know the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is 3. Please copy this down in your notes. Pause the video where necessary. Copy this problem and give it a try. Pause the video while you work out the problem. In order to rationalize this denominator, we are going to multiply by the square root of 5n over the square root of 5n. In the numerator, we have 6 times the square root of 10n, because 2 times 5 is 10, divided by 5n, because the square root of 5n times the square root of 5n is equal to 5n. The longer way of doing that would be to realize that the square root of 5n times the square root of 5n is equal to the square root of 25n squared. This becomes the square root of 25 and the square root of n squared. The square root of 25 is 5, the square root of n squared is n. Please pause the video and copy the notes. One last comment. Be sure to verify that your radicals are completely reduced when you are finished, because sometimes rationalizing the denominator does end up giving you a perfect square in the numerator, or gives you a fraction that can be reduced. So please verify that your answer is completely reduced before you finish.